Hello guys, so welcome back to the SQL section of Data Engineering with Animesh, and today we are going to solve our 24th question in SQL series. So the question is last person to fit in the bus. So there's one table in this question named as Q. It has four columns: person ID, person name, weight and turn. Person ID column contains unique values. This table has information about all people waiting for a bus. The person ID and turn column will contain all numbers from 1 to n, where n is the number of rows in the table. Turn determines the order of which the people will board the bus, where turn 1 denotes the first person to board and turn n denotes the last person to board. Okay, so basically you are boarding the bus turn wise like a queue. Means first person, then second person, third person. Weight is the weight of the person in kgs. There is a queue of people waiting to board a bus. However, the weight of the bus is limited to 1000 kilograms. So there may be some people who cannot board. Simple means suppose it is the capacity of the bus. So if 10 people are standing and the bus fills till the eighth person, so other two will have to wait for the next bus. So that is the condition. Write a solution to find the person name of the last person that can fit on the bus without exceeding the weight limit. So basically, from the person list, which would be given in the table and the turn, you have to find the last person who will be able to board the bus. Means the total weight of the bus should not be greater than 1000 after uh, till the last person. Okay, now let us see the table. So this is the table. So to confuse you, they have given turn in a haphazard way, but you be clear that turn 1 will go first, turn 2 will go second, and turn 3 will go next. Okay, and suppose for Alice the weight is 250, he or she can board. Then come Alex, 350 plus 250, the weight would be 600, right? If my addition is correct, Alex can board. Third is John Cena according to the term. Weight 600 plus 400, 1000. So John Cena would be the last person to board, and if you see the output, the name is John Cena. So okay, so likewise you have to think and you have to calculate. Now one thing, we are adding 250 with 350 and then 400. So for whenever we iterate to the next row, we are adding the previous row weight with the current row weight. So this is called cumulative summing. Okay, whenever you add the current value with the previous values, it is called cumulative sum. So that is the logic that we will apply, and we will keep on checking whenever it turns 1000 or nearest value to 1000, it will come out and print the person name, the last person name. Okay, so if you see the explanation, I think they would have explained similarly. See, this is what I was talking: cumulative 250, no row before that, so cumulative sum is 250. 350, one row before, add both the rows, 600. Then 400, and then likewise. So Mary or Mari would not be able to sit because the weight becomes 1200. So now let us code this. First, the table. Okay, very basic from Q. So this is clear. Now what you have to select: person name, but you have to find the cumulative sum also. So let us prepare the subquery, and from that subquery, after applying all the condition, we will fetch out the person. To select weight. Now, what is the syntax to calculate the cumulative sum? I'm writing that. Just read it by heart it, because anywhere if you're using cumulative sum, you will have to use this syntax. Just do sum of weight, which is the normal syntax of sum. But this time we will use over clause and over order by turn. Because see, this is our input table. Here turn is not ordered. So if we not give order by turn, it will add 250 with 175. Okay. So in which order you have to sum, you have to mention it. So that is the reason we are giving order by sum, and we will give it some name as total weight only. Okay. Let us take it as total weight. As total weight from Q. And now make it as subquery and give it as alias A. Now what we will calculate, select a dot person name, comma a dot weight, comma a dot total weight. From first I will run this query and let's see what is the output of this, and then we will modify this to get to our result. So I always do this. I divide the problem to smaller parts and keep on executing to see if I am going on a right path or not. See, person name, weight, total weight. Now see, it has done a cumulative sum. Now first thing, you have to only see whether weight is less than or equal to 1000. Okay. So the first condition is where a dot total weight is less than or equal to 1000. Okay. Run it. Now we will eliminate the unwanted rows here. Simple. See, the query is very simple. You would have understand that. The only confusion uh, that the question has created was with the cumulative sum, because we have not gone over this topic before. So once you are clear with this topic, it becomes very simple. Now see, we got only three entries. Now you have to fetch John Cena. How you can do it? If you order by total weight, okay, in descending order, order by total weight in descending order, and limit it to 1. Limit is the clause which select the number of rows provided after limit. So if I'm doing limit 1, it will give me only one row after sorting it in descending order as per total weight. Now let's see. Because we want only first row. See, now you got your answer. Now you know what to do. Just eliminate these two things. Cut, comma, cut, and run it. And there is your answer. A very simple basic query. The LeetCode tried to create confusion by two terms. First, giving us turn in a haphazard way so that we can make mistake if we know cumulative sum but we are not uh, giving attention to the turn in which the order is given, we would be adding it in a wrong way. So you have to do an order by turn ascending so that you get turns sorted like 1 2 3 4 5 6, it as it is given here, and then keep on summing it. And the second thing was, if you don't know the concept of cumulative sum, you would have faced difficulty. But now see, just remember this. This is the syntax for cumulative sum for any question that comes with cumulative sum as certain criteria or parameter. Okay. So I hope you would have understood this question. It was very simple question, just few concept, and it becomes very solvable. So keep practicing, keep learning, and I will see you in my next video. Till then, goodbye.